my next Modern Quilters box. It took a little while. We had a few glitches setting up my subscription, but it's here and it's all in its beautiful green glory again. Okay, what have we got in here this time? You are strong, you are brave, and you are enough. Wise words. Oh, we've got some very bright, colourful fabrics this time. Who have we got these fabrics by? Inda Batiks by Me and You for Hoffman. Gosh, look at those colours. Bright pinks, reds. Ooh, that's bordering on oranges. Some lovely muted mustards. And some more goodies. Some greens. Lovely blues. Oh wow, look at that one. That reminds me of Alison Glass's fabric. Beautiful. Some more lollies. These are little biscuits. They won't last long. And we've got a mango and passion fruit tea this time. What else have we got in here? A beautiful pattern. Trellis by Cluck Cluck Sew. A jelly roll layer cake or fat quarter quilt in 4 different sizes. I've used ombre fabrics on that, but this would look great in this, the batiks. Ooh, and a cute little cutting mat. Oh, it's the new Alpha True Blue, which I always thought this was very Australian, so that's cute, lovely. And our block 6 for the sampler is some flying geese in beautiful rainbow colours. There we go.